helium, and when you suck it,
you sound really funny. Listen to Uncle Vic. Put your penis in your pants. Pull your underwear.
What's up, son? How you doing? How you doing? This is helium, and this is so much funner than playing with the balloon in the bag. Here you go, son.
Let me have some.
Hello, Vicky. How you doing?
It's not even been affecting me. Zeke. Zeke.
let's go. Breathe in.
Ready, set, go. No, blow. Suck in. Suck. Suck. Oh.
Smell the flowers.
Suck it in. No.
Drink it. Suck it.
Ooh, this is fun.
Yeah.
Here, you gotta suck it. Suck it.
It's like, you guys are gay.
Yeah, dang.
Yeah, dang.
Gay.
Yo, dang.